Hey guys, here's a little project came into the shop today. Buddy of mine has this 72 F100. Had a seat built for it. Wasn't really a fan of how bulky it was, so he asked me if I could put a rear seat out of an F150 in. Ended up finding a 2023 crew cab rear seat, which was kind of nice. Had the brown piping on it. Kind of goes with the rest of the brown stuff. There's brown headliner in it. So just wanted to show kind of how I mounted it. So still flips up and down. Back here, mounted it to the back plate with the factory mounts. Just like that. Still made it flip up. These ones I cut down. I had to measure the difference of the floor for this hump versus the back, and kind of did a little bit of math to know how much to cut these out. Plated them in the bottom, just so I could bolt them how they were factory, just to kind of accommodate that hump in these trucks. So yeah, that's how that's set up there. It's pretty nice. It still works how it should, and ended up with a decent amount more room. Hopefully it helps out. Give you a little bit of walk around on this thing. It's a pretty sweet unit. It is a Coyote build. There we go. So yeah, I think it's can't remember if it's a Gen 1 or Gen 2 Coyote. 6R80 in it. A lot of fat fender garage, I think that is, parts on it. It was originally a long bed truck, shortened to a short bed. Whole truck is actually painted patina except for the roof. That is factory. Owns a concession company, so got his name on the door. Borla Attack, I think, on it. Sounds all right. It's big Detroit steels. I actually widened these factory tubs, put the rib in them and everything. I widened them 6 inches to accommodate for bigger tires. Full QA1 suspension truck. It's a blast to drive. Welded roll pan on. Yeah, so got any more questions, let me know. But yeah, worked out pretty good. Just wanted to show how that seat was mounted and give you a little walk around. Thanks.